So here, this Gaggia Orione, if you can see. So this is a solid piece of brass, but there's some scratches on it, and I'm gonna replace it with this one right here, which is like cleaner, a little better. But this is at least like 12-15 pounds, pretty heavy. These are the old seals, the seals. So you had this kind of textures, almost like a natural rubber mixed with and then the water, when it touches this and it gets hot, adapts to the new surface and create a seal, and this one too. But they're not super reliable. These seals, they're not really good. They're good for friction, but not for sealing. And then the rubber one is actually the one that makes the seal. And this is really important because on the top, right here is the piston. And the problem is if your piston, that seal, if it's, how do you call it? When it's old, it gets really brittle and hard. So it doesn't seal properly anymore. So all the water will get inside all these metal parts and they're gonna get rusted, and the strength of your spring is gonna get less strong or weaker, we can say. You can see it. But all those mechanical parts, you wanna keep them dry. And the thing, you know it's leaking because it overflows and it's coming out of the thread, and here here where you have the ball bearings, and you don't want water getting there. So what we're gonna do instead, we order a part, is this one. It's from our website. I can actually share the link down below. And it comes with 4. So you have this V, and then this is the piece of metal. So when you tighten the thread into the piston, it's actually squishing this down, and they're actually expanding and creating a better seal. So if after replacing the new ones you're still having a leak, you have to tighten that more. So the way it goes is the top ones here, they're facing down, 2 of them. Right, so you put one like that, and then there's a couple of spacers, and then you put this one there, 2 facing down, and then here 2 facing up. The 2 facing up go in the bottom, and the 2 facing down go on the top. And then that's how you install it, these guys. So let's see how that goes. But these are really expensive. 4 of them, they are about $170 because no one else makes these gaskets. I believe the website is brooks.com, but I can confirm that. Anyway, this is a Gaggia Orione from 1930 through 1950. There were some made around those years, and you can see right there, Gaggia Orione. And this is custom because we removed the side panels and we put plexiglass, new power, new wire, high temperature wires, a new pressure stat. So a lot of customization with it, and we keep the brew head, which actually is like a percolator. So you see the shower screen, hot water is coming and it sprays here, and then I tell you, this is like a huge portafilter, you see. So you put the coffee there and it drips down into the funnel, right? It's a pretty cool design. Like no machine I've seen have such a thing. Then you can close it, right? There you go. And then the way it works, you open this valve and then water goes up from the boiler tank, and then showers trickle down, and this fills up with black coffee. And then if you want to warm up that black coffee, that is a steam heating element, so it's getting the steam from the boiler. Then if you open it here, steam will go through that and boil the water or the coffee, and the coffee will stay warm. And you put your cup here, and then you open there, and this is like right there getting your black coffee. It's such a unique system. It's pretty cool, really mechanical. But yeah, I mean, you can see the boiler. It's pretty cool. We made the back plexiglass. Yeah, it's a big machine, 220, and I think it can run on 17 amps or maybe less. I'm not completely sure, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Here's another one we're fixing, and here's the portafilter. It's actually a Gaggia portafilter, but it uses the ears in this way. They're not the regular one. They're not the 3 to 9 o'clock. It's actually like this. And yeah, pretty nice machine. Yep, pretty smooth espressos. It's solid. Pretty good machine. Really hard to find.